Hey everyone, so this video is going to be 3 basic eyeshadow looks. So it's got inspiration आया because a friend of mine wants to learn how to do eyeshadows. उसने कभी लगाया नहीं है, and because we are maintaining social distancing, I figured that I'll film a video and send it to her so she can learn. So it's very basic. मकसद ये है that I can tell you guys that anybody can wear makeup, anybody can do eyeshadows, and for beginners this is a nice and easy way to start up with your eyeshadows. So here goes. First eye look हम करेंगे सिर्फ 2 eyeshadows से, because I know अगर आप शुरुआती कर रहे हैं you don't have that many products and you probably don't want to go and buy everything all at once. So for the first look, just 2 eyeshadows. So सबसे पहले मैं लूँगी an eyeshadow color जो आपकी skin tone से थोड़ा match करता हुआ है, or you can use a white eyeshadow or you can use a light brown eyeshadow. So here I'm going to use a white eyeshadow. It's kind of cream eyeshadow है. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush like this and I'm just going to apply पूरा यहाँ से आपकी brow bone and your entire lid, just like that. Just like that. ये पूरा circle. And then I'm going to take a brush like this, like a round brush. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप यही use करें. This is the e.l.f. one, but you can use whatever brush you have. बस ऐसे थोड़ा सा tapered होए तो अच्छा होएगा. And ना आपकी जो natural skin tone है उससे 1-2 shades थोड़े से dark होना चाहिए. So I'm just going to use this brown shade over here. Excess को brush off कर दे, because you can always put more on, right? निकालना ज़रा मुश्किल होता है. So and then कि आँखों की crease नज़र आ रही है, this is your crease. जैसे जब मैं आँख थोड़ी सी खोलती हूँ, you see this C over here, that is your eye crease. और सबकी different जगह पे होती है, ज़रूरी नहीं कि जहाँ पे मेरी है वहीं आपकी है. कुछ की थोड़ा ऊपर होती है, कुछ की नीचे होती है. This is mine over here. So a good idea is कि बिल्कुल आँख बंद ना करें जब आप मेकअप कर रहे हैं, हल्का सा खुला रहे, like that, so you can see where your makeup is going. So I take that shade and I just use it, apply a little bit right over there on my crease. Blend it. That's it. That is the very, very basic eye look. You see the difference? This eye just looks like it has a little more definition than this eye. So this is the first way. It's very easy. Anybody can use it. Every day अगर आप college जा रहे हैं या काम पे जा रहे हैं, or you just want to go out and look slightly dressed up, then you can just do this look and it's like 2 minutes. You don't even need more than that. 2 minutes look. Alright, next version of this is 3 shades. So 3 shades के लिए क्या करना है, ये आपने base पूरे पे लगाया, light shade, you used a little bit over here on your crease. 3rd shade कौन सा use करना है, you take a very light shimmery shade, or you can use a highlighter too. Right, next you take a very light shimmery shade. अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा और dress up करना चाह रहे हैं, just take a highlighter if that's what you have. I'm using this one. Okay, yeah, Winky Lux का eyeshadow है, कोई भी use कर लें आप. It just has to be a nice shimmery shade. It's like, that's the shade. And I'm taking a clean brush. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा आप ये highlighter use करें. And 2 जगह लगाना है इसको. एक in your inner corners, inner corner of your eye, just like that. और दूसरा your brow bone, just like that. Need a mirror. This is look number 2, also very basic. 2 की जगह 3 shades use किए हैं. All this does is आपकी ये वाली eye को थोड़ा और bright कर देगा. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye over here? This is just looking brighter, more opened up than this one. Very easy. 3 shades. Again, कोई भी कर सकता है. Next basic look when we use 4 eyeshadows. बेस यही रखते हुए इसमें एक और कलर ऐड करेंगे and that will be your just a little more dressed up. If you have another eyeshadow with you, then you can go for this look. It's super easy and it'll just give you a more party look. So कौन सा कलर ऐड करना है? अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या ऐड किया है? We've used a very light color जो आपकी स्किन से थोड़ा सा लाइट है. उसके बाद क्रीज पे हमने लगाया है आपकी स्किन से जो थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर है. एंड देन इनर कॉर्नर्स एंड ब्राउज पे लगाया है जो थोड़ा शिमरी, लाइट शिमरी शैम्पेन शेड है. एंड फाइनली नंबर 4 will be the darkest color that you want to use. If you want to use black, then go for it. लेकिन black won't be natural as such. If you want to do like a black smoky look, or beginners को थोड़ा सा black से दूर भी रहना चाहिए, especially अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हैं, because black को निकालना ज़रा मुश्किल होता है. We'll stick with browns and I'm just gonna use a dark brown. Let me see. Alright, so I'm just going to use a bronzer. आप brown eyeshadow obviously use कर सकते हैं, but it's just matte bronzer that I'm going to use. ये सब मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ because I want you guys to know that makeup, it's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be easy and simple. It's not supposed to be like work कि oh no अब तैयार होना है बैठ के. It should be fun and कोई rules as such नहीं होते हैं. You can break your rules. Like in my last video I filmed where one cheek is a different look, the TikTok trend look, and the other cheek is the traditional look, and the trend one actually looked better जबकि हमने सारे rules तोड़ दिए थे उसमें. This, and I'm taking like a flat makeup brush like that. Just going to take some of this color, brush it off, and then ये कहाँ use करना है? Eyes closed करके your outer V, as in over here and here. अपनी eyelid के end पे. That is your outer V. Just darken it a little bit. I'm just trying to make sure that आपको कैमरा में भी नजर आ रहा है और मैं भी mirror पे देख पा रही हूँ. I'm using the same mirror over here. And if you want to blend this out, तो आपने जो ब्रश हाइलाइटर के लिए यूज किया था इससे पहले उसको लेके थोड़ा सा बीच में ऐसे blend कर दें, just so you don't see any harsh lines. This is the eye that's done up and this is the eye that is not done up at all. So अब final steps क्या करने हैं? If you want, you can use a little eyeliner, but I would say eyeliner से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है mascara. These dogs, I feel like they're standing outside my door, and they probably are. अब इसमें आप चाहते हैं तो थोड़ा काजल भी लगा लें, eyeliner लगा लें. Usually I like to stick to just one, either just kajal or just eyeliner, but like I said, you can do whatever you want. But I would say do not skip the mascara, because normally जब आप eyeshadow लगाते हैं तो color जो आपके eyelashes के ऊपर भी आ जाता है थोड़ा, and you don't want white eyelashes. So do use like a few coats of mascara and you are good to go. I hope this video was useful to you guys, and I hope that जो पहली बार start कर रहे हैं makeup उनके लिए ये mega easy tricks होंगी use करने के लिए. It's just super easy and just make it fun And that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video, and let me know if there is something else that you want to learn. I'll try to help you guys out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!